Hello my old school soul food family, Chef Jeffrey back with another video. And today I'm going to be doing something. I told y'all, y'all have seen my video of my imperfect foods that I get every 2 weeks. Today I'm going to be incorporating some items that I've had in that box. I got zucchini here, I got an apple here, some walnut pieces, some raisins, my good old all-purpose flour. So I'm going to incorporate this and we're going to make us the most delicious, moist zucchini bread you ever eaten in your life. So I'm going to step back and I'm going to prep all these items. I'm going to actually make an applesauce with my, ready-made applesauce with these apples. I'm going to grate these cucumbers. I'm going to grate the zucchini up. I'm going to roast off my walnuts and then we'll be back and prep it up and show you how to put it together. A very simple recipe, so we'll be right back. Alright y'all, we are back. I got everything prepped here. I got my zucchini. I grated it with the, with the hand grater. I got my applesauce here. I'm making my homemade applesauce. The apple I had, I made applesauce. What I did, I peeled the apples, chopped them up, put it in my hand blender with a little orange juice, and that's how I make the applesauce. I like to make everything really fresh. I got my walnuts here. I toasted them in the oven to bring out the oils in them, so it tastes a lot better in your banana bread if you roast your walnuts, any nuts you have ahead of time. So let's get started here. I'm gonna mix my wet to dry just like anything else. So I got my sugar in here. Got brown sugar and granulated sugar. We're gonna mix this up together. This all mixed up. The thing I like about making this bread, you don't have to pull out your mixer. You do everything by hand. Everything, get that brown sugar off. Because I packed it down, you have to be packed. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to add my vanilla to this. To that, add more oil. Very simple recipe, y'all. Very easy. And you can make this recipe your own. If you don't like nuts, don't put nuts. If you don't like walnuts, put pecans. If you don't like applesauce, put extra half a cup of oil in it. I think the applesauce brings more moisture and flavor to it. Yeah, I'm adding my applesauce to this. Just a way to get rid of them apples. Like I say, 75% of these items came in my imperfect food box a week ago, over a week and a half ago. Okay, now we got that done. Now what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna put my cinnamon and nutmeg in here. You can use allspice. What that spice is, if you don't like cinnamon and nutmeg, don't put it. Make it your own, y'all. Just make it where you like it. Okay. This is up here. Okay. Now, I'm going to pour my wet into my dry. This out here. Should we get it all out of here? Nothing like zucchini bread, I'm telling you. Who doesn't like zucchini bread, a banana nut bread? Who doesn't like that? Now this is the careful part. You have to be very careful. I don't want to overmix this flour. So what it is, if I overmix this, you're going to have you're going to develop a lot of gluten, which I don't want to do. And you'll have a tougher bread. You want a nice, moist, tender bread. So I'm just gonna, mix it just until the flour is, kind of blend it together here. Okay, now what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add my raisins, nuts, and my zucchini. Start the show here. And that now, we're gonna finish incorporating all this together. That's why I say you don't want to mix the flour with the liquid too much, because you still have to just carefully fold this together. Don't over mix it. Kind of fold it together. That's it. And in the flour, I had the baking powder and baking soda already in my flour and the salt. Y'all didn't see me add that. I already had it into with my flour already. Okay, we're gonna pour this in my 9x5. This is a regular 9x5 loaf pan, y'all. 9x5 loaf pan here. All right. Now, we're gonna put it in the oven, 350 degrees. Let me get a pan to put under it. I like to put a pan under it. 350 degrees for about 50 minutes. And after 50 minutes, we're gonna have an awesome old school zucchini bread. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. It's been about 50 minutes here. Let's see what we got here. All right, there we go. Right over there. Nice and firm to the touch. That is what you want right there. Oh, yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let that cool off. And cool off for like maybe 20 minutes. And I'm going to flip it out and we're going to taste it. And there's two ways I like to eat my zucchini bread before I sign off here for this segment. I like to eat I like this end piece right here when I cut it. I'll show y'all later. And put some butter on there while it's still warm. Oh my God. Also, I like to, of course, I'm utilizing, y'all know, all my ingredients from my Imperfect Foods. I got some smoked salmon they sent me a few weeks ago, and I still have it. So I'm gonna put some. Also, I like to put some cream cheese on there with some sliced smoked salmon on there after the bread gets cold. Oh my God, that is so awesome. Zucchini bread, you can put this in the refrigerator. It lasts a week in there, and you can eat on it as a snack. You want something sweet to eat. My mama loves it. I don't put as much sugar in her. She like banana bread. She like zucchini bread. She like the carrot raisin bread I make. The cranberry raisin bread. All of them. I love making it. And this is going to be an awesome dish for holiday season coming up. Thanksgiving, Christmas. You put this on the table. You do Christmas parties. You slice this and then like slice it in little squares and put some cream cheese on it with a little jam on there, a little raspberry jam on there. Shoot, your people, your friends, family will go crazy. But anyway, I'll be back once this cool off, and we're gonna test it out. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back here. Okay, now this is ready. I took it out of the pan. I'm gonna slice up a piece here. Like I told y'all, I like this piece right here on the end. My favorite piece. What I like to do, get some butter here. Nice softened butter. Put on there while it's warm. It's so good, y'all. This is so good. That up there. Wow. So good. Nice and moist. Wow. I'm going to show you another way I like to do it. This time we're going to get a little fancy. Take a little piece here. Bread knife. What I'll do, my cake knife here. I'll take my little cream cheese. Put me some cream cheese on there. I'll make this for breakfast sometime. And I got some smoked salmon here. I'll lay on top of there. Make some smoked salmon I got from Imperfect Foods. over. Cut it in 4 pieces. And this is something y'all can do for a party too, y'all. Nice fancy Christmas holiday party. But this is so good. So smoked salmon, cream cheese. Wow. Man. Where you do it, y'all? Wow. Awesome. Awesome way to eat it. But anyway, I can go how good this is. Anyway, we close this video off. Another thing you could do these for Christmas gifts. Make about 10 of these. Or you can make a smaller loaf. Get a smaller loaf pan. Make 2 out of 1 recipe. And serve them and give them away to your close family and friends and neighbors as gifts. But anyway, let me close this video. Very easy video today. But follow my other social media accounts. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitch TV, Twitter, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food Day.